You see that? Zucchini flower filled with a beautiful buffalo mozzarella and anchovies fried to perfection. That's the one, guys. Unbelievable Roman style cuisine. Enjoy. Look at that. I'm impressed from my cooking skill. In this video, of course, we will do the fiori fritti. I will show you how to get the best fiori fritti, how we call it Rome, or filled zucchini flour. And after we will do the pizza with the flour.
We are going to share a secret. The secret is zucchini blossom pizza that is made in a little town called Valeria, and it is the only place, I think, that makes pizza this way, with the batter instead of with the dough.
That means you have the pastella, you have leftover flour, and you do what we call a crispy pizza.
This is a pizza that our grandmothers, mothers, friends have been making for decades, and they're still making it.
Crispy, oily, unbelievable.
So try it. It's very delicious. It's very unique, and it is very, very good.
Life in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Subscribe, guys. Both recipe born from the necessity, because if you don't know, those beautiful blossom you need to pick up really early in the morning when are fully open, and it's a really delicate product, extremely delicate. That means to preserve them, what they were doing is fry them in pastella. Of course, remember in Rome we have an abundance of this product. That means part was fried, part preserved doing the pizza, coming from the leftover butter and the leftover flour. We have still a lot of other recipes, are going in a normal pizza, are going in a pasta with fiori di zucca. We use it in a different way. Street food, fiori di zucca fritti. Very, very simple recipe. We need this beautiful product, zucchini flour. Unbelievable, I take it fresh from my garden. Mozzarella, you can use fior di latte, it's a little bit more firm. Quantity, how much you want. I bought the mini one, we will fill one each flour. And anchovies, premium quality, we need one each flour. For the butter, extremely simple. Flour, normal 00 flour or patent flour or all-purpose flour, what you want. A pinch of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and beer. If you don't want to use beer, you can use sparkly water. Of course, oil to fry. And we start with the butter. You have your bowl, we take a flour, we measure in 1 cup, but it's not necessary. What is necessary to check is the right consistency. A pinch or a teaspoon of baking powder. We put a pinch of salt. Look at that. And we go in with the beer or sparkly water. In 1 cup, I think I will use 1 full can of beer. This butter needs to be cold. What is doing the beer is giving, of course, the crispiness of the butter and the color. You see that? When it's like that, it's a little bit creamy, but thicker. Now, what we do is put it in the fridge and let it cool down. As a professional, I will use 2 different pastellas or butter. One to fry the flour, the mix with the beer and a little bit of baking powder, and one simple with eggs, flour and salt for our pizza. Back to our board, we prepare the main ingredient. The flowers are like that. They have the stamp and they have the small things around. What we do, we just remove them. And we end up with that. We will open it. And when you have the baby ready, time for our mozzarella. I bought the mini one. We cut in half like this. We take paper and we just put it on top. For the anchovies, nothing you need to do. And when you have this, your mise en place ready, we open our flour, we fill with our mozzarella, we take our anchovies and we put it carefully inside. We cover with the second half of the mozzarella and with the petal, always carefully, we close everything inside. And when you have that, time to fry. We take the bowl, we take the baby, we dip it in, you see that? And directly to the oil. Look at that. Impressed. And Chef Eileen is joining us for this beautiful tasting.
Time for tasting!
Time to taste this beauty, guys. Look at that.
Tastes so
The
good.
mozzarella completely melt. Impressed. The dough super crispy, no oil at all. The anchovies make the difference, guy. Make your own. Nice one.
And I believe it's healthy as well, right? Because it's the flour of zucchini.
Super healthy. Super tasty. Incredible. Roma style. For this kind of crispy pizza, actually there is not a recipe. That means we will do it today, because when I asked to my mother, to my aunt and everybody, they have just a piece of paper where it's written down.
Flour, water, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and that's it. Basically, you mix it together. You pour the batter in a pan and you bake it with zucchini blossom on top.
Let's do it like that. Before, we need to mix the egg with water. I got 1 egg. We mix it a little bit. And I got my scale. Like this, we can try to get a recipe. We go in with 200 grams of water. In terms of salt, I will say 1 teaspoon. And now it's time to combine our mix of egg and water with the flour. With 100 grams of flour, what you want, it's a butter but really light. You don't want a really thick butter. Now it's time for our mold. I use that because it's easy. Yeah. You see this border? I will fix my pastella of butter till this border need to be really flat, because the pizza at the end will be super crunchy. Be generous with olive oil, really generous, otherwise the pizza will stick because it's just a butter. And we go in with half of our butter. Need to be flat. We take our zucchini flower. Remember to peel them. Remove from the stamp. This one, we don't need it. We open our flour and we can just cut it by hand a little bit like this. And we put in our pizza. Amazing decoration. After old-fashioned style, with the fork, we push our flour down. But now I show you that. Time for the oven, 200 degree, 20 minutes one side, flip it, another 20 minutes. And that's it, guys. And look at that, guys. Nice, crispy, oily. Super simple, super easy. Unbelievable. Look at that. That's the one, guys. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe!